All right, y'all, we are live on this beautiful Friday. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. I do pray everybody is super blessed, especially my man, J Bull. J Bull, may the Lord bless you in Jesus' name. Shout out to Kalyash Go Duke, who says dump now. Perhaps, guys, perhaps we dump now. Let's see. All right. Shout out to Haven Peck. He says, I don't want anything free, but I hope a broke wins it when you give it away. Shout out to Splashfire Films. We gonna pump or we gonna dump? Shout out to Samuel S. What is going on, Samuel S.? Shout out to AJ95. Pump song, baby. Shout out to Florida Boy. God bless you, bro. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. What is going on? Shout out to Crypto Crank. Let's see your $100,000 Bitcoin long. Well, I don't have $100,000 in it anymore. I just took some more profits out, but altogether right here, I have about $80,000 on a Bitcoin, a long trade, and a little bit on the S&P, baby. Shout out to Crypto Crank. Shout out to Francisco. Shout out to Tufshin. Tufshin, what happened to the dump and pump song? It's on YouTube, my friend. It is on YouTube. All right, guys. So, Bitcoin price is right now coming up to the Fibonacci golden pocket retracement after getting a very bullish bounce from the CDW, taking out the low from Tuesday, October 3rd. Man, I'm so glad. I am so glad that I waited and that I didn't long yesterday. I mean, obviously, I got wrecked yesterday. You guys saw me get wrecked. But I didn't long the second time. Reason being, I wanted to take out some of these lows. We have taken out a low, as you can see, and now we are coming to our first area of major resistance, 28,000. And if we can make it above this area, guys, man, I think it's smooth sailing. We take a look at Market Cipher B, and what do we see? As the price made a lower low, this is an extremely bullish divergence. It's such a bullish divergence that we don't even see the momentum wave below the zero line, right? And money flow is also getting thick. Now also, in addition to that 1 hour bullish div, on the 24-minute, guys, man, look at this. I mean, you could not ask for anything bullish-er, right? When we made this first low down here, we had a bullish divergence, and then when we made that second low, we just had continued bullishness, so dang bullish. Now here's the problem, okay? We need to break out. We really need to break out above this 618, because as you can see, we are starting to print some bearish divergences here. All right, in fact, even if we go down to the 12-minute time frame, you can see also some bearish divergences starting to form on the chart as we come into the 618. All right, 6-minute time frame, not so much. All right, 1-minute time frame, some slight bearish divergences as we're coming into the Fibonacci golden pocket retest right here. All right, so we need a smooth break, because what we don't want to see is this thing start to confirm a red dot, right? We do not want to see that, no. And then the next thing we need to be aware of is taking out these highs, because if we don't get a clean break, if we wick up like this, well, we could also see bearish divergences coming in there, okay? So this is part number one of resistance, right? That's why I hit a take profit 2 in this area. All right. That's why I hit a take profit 2 in this area. And guys, I'll be honest with you. My next take profit for this specific trade is going to be at $30,000. I'll explain why. Maybe I'll move it to $29,500. We'll have to see how this stream progresses today on this beautiful Pump Friday. Shout out to everybody in the chat right now. Shout out to everybody in the chat. About 458 people in here. Guys, I'm going to be giving away 1,000 USDT if we can get 1,000 likes. I don't want any bots. All right? I don't want any bots. All right? No bots. If we can get 1,000 people during the stream while Bitcoin pumps to 100K and we can get 1,000 likes, we'll be giving away 1,000 USDT. Shout out to Brandon H. What are your thoughts that Bybit only took the low? It makes it a little bit shady, but I do have to say, because Bybit's the only exchange that took the low, this is still a higher low coming down to a key area of support on the other exchanges, right? So BingX came down, took the low. I'm sorry, didn't take the low, but made a slightly higher low with continued bullishness here. All right, with continued bullishness. MEXC, did MEXC take that low? Let's see. Yeah, MEXC did not take the low either. Yeah, MEXC did not take the low either. Let's go, baby. Let's pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K. Let me see a blue candle, baby. Let me see a blue candle, baby. All right. We are coming up again to try and break through that golden pocket, the 618 fib. Guys, this 618 Fibonacci right here on Bitcoin is very important. Let's check out what's happening on Coinalyze.net right now. All right, let's check out Coinalyze.net and see what's going on. We got to refresh. We got to refresh it. Let's go down to our 1 minute time frame. Whoa. Whoa. No. I thought that was a bearish divergence. It's not. All right. We've got some more longs opening up here. We're coming into the golden pocket, the 6 Juanita. All right, let's see what happens here, guys. Let's see what happens here. I'll be honest with you guys. I'm always honest with you guys, right? I did take a little scalp from the 618 fib. All right, I took a little scalp from the 618 fib. I'm still in this short also that I took on Monday. Of course, I've added a little bit to the short when we got the rise on October 2nd. But now that we're coming into the Fibonacci Golden Pocket, I have taken a scalp trade from there as well. TP1 is hit. All right, TP1 is hit. And now if I get stopped out, it will be a very, very small profit. But the reason why I've taken that is because, why not? Bearish divergence at Golden Pocket, baby. Bearish divs at Golden Pocket. Looks like it's about to get stopped out. Don't care, baby. Still will be in profit if stopped out. Right, this as well will be in profit if stopped out at the exact entry. And we are watching, baby, as Bitcoin is pumping. Now, let's discuss our next targets here. Let's discuss our next targets. If we are going to indeed reclaim the 786 fib at $28,300, this opens the door to much higher Bitcoin prices. Let's analyze the high time frame chart. Man, look at that beautiful support resistance flip, guys. That is a beautiful support resistance flip right there. Man, look at this line. If we just draw it back, we can see that literally, I mean, this was a very, very important level. All right. This was support all throughout March. It was support all throughout April. It was resistance in May. It was resistance in June. It was resistance once, twice, and now we've broken out. We've come down for a proper retest. Not only did we get the first retest, guys, but we came back down to test our base one more time with a bullish divergence on the 4 hour, man. Wow. All right. So if we pull all the volume that we've seen in this entire range here, all right, let's see. Okay, we can see we are coming up to the point of control of the range. So, look, if we're going to do what we're doing right now and continue to the upside here, I do say we're coming up to the value area high of the range, which is 29,273. Now, if we go ahead and we take our fib, we're going to pull it from the high to the low. All right, from the high to the low. This is on Bybit, by the way. You can see that really the target is going to be coming in between the golden pocket and the 786. I would really put it here. Now, I like to pull the fib not to the Bybit low, but to around this low, because this is like the Coinbase low, right? The spot exchanges. So this is really my target right here, which is why my next TP is right around that $30,000 target for this trade here. All right, because I do think if we can make a higher high, then this we are going to get gravitated up to that next major zone, which is going to be right around that $30,000 level. Right now, this $30,000 level is going to be super important, super, super, super important. All right, because this really is a major make it or break it for Bitcoin, because this could actually turn into a massive head and shoulders, right? This could turn into a massive head and shoulders. Now, I know, all right, there's people out there right now. There are people out there right now watching this video. When I say head and shoulders, you got triggered. All right, you got super dang triggered. You got super dang triggered, like one of those fat, white, ambiguously gendered college students majoring in trans, non-binary carbon emission studies. You're like, Jason, that's not a head and shoulders. All right, I don't even know then what a head and shoulders is. If this ain't a head and shoulders, I don't know. All right, I don't know. And here's something else. I don't care. I don't care if this is a head and shoulders or not. Here's why I don't care. To me, this is a head and shoulders. Now, the reason why this is an intense looking thing to me is because on Bybit, all right, not all exchanges, but on Bybit, we in fact did make we entered into bearish market structure, right? We made our high, our low, our higher high, our lower low. This is the break of market structure on the weekly time frame. And then we are coming back up to the value area high of the range where we could now make our first lower high, okay? Now, I was saying there's a chance that this could have been a lower high in bearish market structure, but I do have to also say that this is looking bullish. This reaction here at that bottom of this support resistance flip is looking bullish to me. But we do need to be aware of this potential thing happening, right? We go to the daily time frame and we have to be aware, depending on how long it takes us to get there. You know, if it takes us a few days, if the weekend we don't do anything, we just kind of range around here, you know, we might actually start to form some kind of bearish divergence on the daily, right? So we need to be looking out for that. We can't just say we're going straight to 100K. We need to be aware of a potential head and shoulders, right? And the target of this head and shoulders, in my opinion, is going to be a new low. We go ahead and pull the trend line from here to here, extrapolate downwards a little bit. It's going to be a new low. It's going to be right around down to this area. That's going to shock a lot of people. Shock and awe, baby. But that's how these markets work. You know, people are going to get super bullish when we're back at 30K. But here's something that we need to keep in mind here, guys. All right. Until the halving, it's more probable than not that we're going to see Bitcoin range sideways, right? It's more probable than not that we're going to see Bitcoin range sideways. And right now, guess what? This is our range. This is the range that we've got going on right now. This is the larger range. And within that range, we have a smaller range, okay? This is the smaller range right here. Right? It's very clearly defined high and low. And so if we're going to lose this low right here, it just makes sense. We make our way back down toward the bottom of the range, right? It's not anything to be super scared about, but it is something to consider and be prepared for, right? Be prepared for. Now, we're not here to spread FUD or FOMO. We're literally just here to analyze a chart, right? So people get upset because I'm not a Bitcoin maximalist based on the fundamentals. I'm hodling forever. They get mad that I short Bitcoin. Look, yeah, I like Bitcoin. Yeah, I hold it on spot. But at the end of the day, I'm here every day in these markets to make profits no matter what is happening, right? All right, so we are still at the 618 fib, getting a little bit of consolidation here. Let us actually take a look once again at the long trade. Okay, so yeah, TP2 was hit, guys. This is the long we were really looking for this morning in the Casper crew. This is the one I've been waiting for. I wanted to take those lows again. All right, so Pro Noob missed the long. That's fine. There'll be plenty of other longs. All right, shout out to everybody in chat. Shout out to Ben. We're obviously going to 100K this year. Proof is in the history. Every day. Yeah, the trend line. Yes, shout out to Splashfire Films. The trend line. Because here's the thing. Some people don't inject trend. They just snort a line of it. The trend line. You know, gets us nice and hyped for the YouTube live stream. Shout out to M. Hearing rumors of 40K. Yeah, I mean, you know, look, we might hit 40K. I'm just saying we have to be prepared not to hit 40K. Because you know, and I know, and we all know the amount of FOMO that is going to be happening once Bitcoin reaches 30K again. Right? Oh, man. Oh, man. The big breakout, you know? So we just have to be careful for it. We just have to be careful. Now, don't get me wrong. The long trades I'm in now, I'm going to hold them. And if we keep passive, we don't see bearish divergences up here, then rest assured, you know, I'm holding those longs. Right? Even these TPs, I'm not closing out all these positions. All right, we're starting to get a little bit of a move down here. Let's check out what's going on Coinalyze. Okay, so we don't see any bearish CVD divergences here. Right, that's assuring. Price is making lower highs. CVD about the same. Let's check out EXO charts and analyze this as closely as we possibly can. Yeah, we're not really seeing. Okay, we saw some slight bearish CVD. Actually, about a million absorbed into that golden pocket, guys. All right, we're starting to get that drop. All right, so here's the thing. All right, we're starting to get the drop. We've got some shorts coming in now. All right, so this short scalp, let's see. We're going to do some analysis here. All right, we're going to do some analysis here. All right. Where are we going to be looking for support if we're going to get a little bit of a retracement here? Now, remember, the reason why we're getting a retracement here is because we came to the Fibonacci golden pocket retest. All right, we came to the Fibonacci golden pocket retest. You know, this morning, guys, when we were looking for the trades in the Discord, right, this is the long we were looking for. We were looking to take the lows, get a bounce on taking of that low, bam, to the upside. That's literally exactly what happened. Okay, now, a TP2, I let everyone know TP2 is in the box. Why in the box? Because TP2 is right at the 618 Fibonacci level. All right. So let's do some TA here and figure out where we can expect a move down to. All right, let's analyze this, because this right here in and of itself is its own sideways range. Right, we've got a clearly defined high and a clearly defined low. That last big move to the upside, clearly we got a little overextended there. I do have to say, guys, the concerning thing that I see right now is actually this bearish divergence on the 12-minute time frame. That is a little bit concerning to me, I'm not gonna lie. We saw some slight absorption. All right, so let's see. Okay, so let's pull some fibs. Let's take a look at the volume that traded in this. All right. Okay, guys, so I would say this. On this drop, the first area that I would look for some kind of support would be around 27,600, because we have the local golden pocket and we have the high volume node of the rise, right? So in a very bullish scenario, we would be looking for support right here and then look for another move to the upside, right? That is more of a bullish scenario. Let's go ahead and turn on our 382 fib. Beautiful. Yeah. So guys, in a bullish scenario, we want to see a bounce from the 382 Fibonacci. We have a 382 Fibonacci right here. We have a golden pocket Fibonacci right there, and the high volume node of the entire move to the upside thus far. All right. So in a very bullish scenario, I would be looking for this level to hold. In fact, if we don't hold this level, I might go ahead and close out the long, honestly. Probably will, because it's more of a day trade. And as you can see, I've got two Bitcoin longs open here, one for much lower, and on BingX, you cannot combine long trades. You can't add to a position, you have to open a new position. So I might just close this thing out if we lose basically what is now used to be TP1, all right? I'll take that profit and run. Now, the second opportunity to look for a bounce here is to come down to the macro golden pocket at the high volume node of the range, all right? So basically, if we're gonna come back down and get more of a drop here, the level that we really need to be aware of right now is going to be 27,442. Why is this? Let's clean up the chart a little bit and discuss why this is such an important level. I'm gonna remove this just to clean up the chart. This box that I have right here, we'll put the coordinates. This is right around this price to this price. Put it right here for all to see. All right, bam. This is a very important box to hold, and the reason why is because we have gotten a bullish bounce from the bottom of a large range, and now we've actually changed market structure locally, right? We had a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low. Now we've made our first higher high, right? So we could be looking for now a W pattern. We could be looking now for a bullish retest of the Fibonacci Golden Pocket 786 zone, right? This right here could offer us another opportunity to get into a long position, assuming the continuation of this bullishness, right? If I had come to the chart, if this was first thing in the morning for me and I was opening up a Bitcoin chart, this would be my first long plan, right? I would want to see price come down to this level with bullish signs to get a bounce and then look to take it to a new high, right? Look to take it to a new high. So these are some ideas as we're getting this first retrace from the Fibonacci Golden Pocket retest to the upside, okay? I would be looking for that kind of deal right there. Something else we need to be aware of, guys, is if this is going to turn more bearish, keep in mind that we've got right now bearish divergences on the 12-minute time frame, right? We've even got potential bearish divergences on the 24-minute time frame. Yeesh. With the money flow getting lower, right? This is the bearish upside down Sam Bankman-Fried man boob pattern, right? Money flow coming lower, man boobs getting lower, as we are coming into the Fibonacci golden pocket, right? So the other thing that we need to be aware of right now is this. Oh man, we're rejecting right now from the 382 fib. We're rejecting from the 382 fib. There's two things we need to be aware of right now, guys. We're on the 1-minute time frame. All right, is this a real rejection? Yay or nay? Well, there's two levels right now we need to be aware of. Level number 1 is going to be the golden pocket 786. Level number 2 is going to be the high. All right, boom. So let's clean this up a bit. All right, we are cleaning this up a bit. So 28, this is going to be key. Because if we come into this box with bearish CVD divergences, we can expect a lower low to be put in. And if we do that, we actually have ourselves a short setup where we could take it down to basically the high volume node of the rise. Okay, so if we come back into the box for a retest with bearish CVD divergences, which we're going to be monitoring here, we can look for something like this. That's almost a 5-to-1 risk reward right there. And the second trade we would be looking for now is to grab the high like this and do so with continued bearish divergences, right? So if, let's say, money flow keeps getting lower here and we come up again and make another momentum wave like this after taking that high, we could have ourselves also a potential short, right? This is how we plan for trades, right? We're not chasing price, we're waiting for price to come to us. We're waiting for price to come to a level, and if we see what we want to see, we execute. We pull the trigger, all right? We pull the trigger. So this is going to be major support right down here, guys. And then the small box and the yellow line are going to be our major resistances right now. Okay, we have come into the Fibonacci golden pocket retest. Where is she? Where is she? There she is. Right, we've come into that Fibonacci golden pocket retest with some bearish divergences. This is not the most bullish sign in the world, but we understand that, right, for me at least, as long as we are holding key support resistance flips, namely around 27.7, I am still going to be keeping this long trade open. I will close it if we lose that level and look for a lower entry. Close it if we come lower and look for another entry. All right, I've got a big TP3 up here, baby. All right, so let's see what happens. Now the Bitcoin price continuing to get a little bit of a move down here. Okay, took a short scalp from the 618 fib. All right, not going to take any more profits on this. I've locked in a position here. Okay, just gonna let this thing ride, baby, because we schlonging up in here, right? We short, we long, we guarantee a profit, we move that stop loss to the entry. That's how I like to trade. That's how I like to trade, guys. All right, let's take a look right now at the S&P 500, baby. Let's take a look at the S&P, because as you can see, I am also long on the S&P 500 right here. Bam. And it's kind of a juicy one, guys. All right, so S&P this morning in the Casper crew, we were looking for 2 trades. Let's go into the Discord here. Shout out to the Casper crew. Let's go to stocks, Forex. All right, so there were 2 trades I was looking for this morning. The first one was literally, I gave the setup from my actual entry, okay? We got bearish divergences into a key resistance, and then looking for a long from this box down here, we literally dropped like a hot knife through butter right into the zone. And then upon the reclaim of 42.54, we started to pump like a wild woman in distress, running through the wilderness with a laundry basket on her head. All right, now look at this. Is this not crazy? From the short, right here, bam! All right, that was a juicy short. That was a juicy short. I obviously closed out of that one. Okay, but then from the long level, all right, upon the reclaim of this, bam, we get the pump. And when we take a look at Market Cipher B as well, you can see that we are printing some pretty bullish looking stuff. We got a low right here, this low, bullish divergence. We even had bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. I've been trying to long the S&P for a while here. You guys know, you guys saw me. I was holding this thing in the red, baby, a few days ago. Okay? We even got bullish divergence on the 4-hour right here. We've got the momentum waves getting higher over time. We've got the money flow getting higher over time, giving us the bullish Sam Bankman-Fried pattern, right? So and what we see right now is actually the first sign of strength. The first sign of strength on the S&P, which is we have locally changed market structure. All right, let's remove all this stuff here. Let's remove all this stuff. We have locally changed market structure, right? We put in our low, our high, our low. Now we've made a higher high. This is a W pattern right here, right? I'm wondering, what does it mean? I don't know. But now we're starting to see money flow flip to the blue, okay? Now, do I think we've bottomed out in the S&P? I have no idea, guys. I have no idea. All right, but here's one thing I do know. We are right now flirting with this obvious support resistance flip. In fact, if we just go ahead and pull the volume on this baby. All right, let's go ahead and pull the volume on this baby. Kaboom, bam, bam, baby. Yeah, we can see we've got a daily order block right here. All right, smart money, ICT. I'm saying all those buzzwords because the YouTube algos love right now, because people love right now searching for ICT, order blocks, smart money concepts. And if I say ICT, if I say inner circle trading, if I say order block, if I say smart money, guess what? My video will get more views. Isn't that crazy? YouTube algos are smart. So we've got this right here, right? We've got this right here. If we can reclaim this, then I think this could be a juicy swing trade. And this entire little structure here is just a bullish deviation below the range. And then I suspect we could get a move up to none other than probably the Fibonacci golden pocket. Maybe the 0.5. Maybe the 0.5. The 0.5 is actually looking pretty nice. But if we do get that move up to the 0.5, guys, that is another 2.5% on, this is the ES, by the way. This is not the index, it's the ES. I'm trading the index. But that is 4% move from the bottom. And we have already gotten, just in the day, guys, a 2% rise on the ES right here. Wow. Can you even believe that, man? That's kind of a juicy one if you ask me. That's kind of a juicy one if you ask me. So yeah, I'm hoping it could be a swing trade. I don't know. Shout out to everybody in the chat. We got 1,300 people up in here, 400 likes. If everyone likes the video right now, guys, we'll do a $1,000 Tether giveaway. If everybody likes the video right now, we will do a Tether giveaway. $1,000, 1,000 USDT, baby. All right, so we are getting that move. Bitcoin has come to the key level. We are flirting right now with the Fibonacci 382 retracement. Let's check out the order flow once again, guys. Oh man, okay. I have to say, this right here, so far, is not looking too bearish. We did see some slight absorption here, very slight. Let's check out exo charts and see what's happening here. Wow. Negative 22, negative 23. We have more shorts coming in, guys. So we just need to watch and wait here. Technically, this is bullish, a bullish CVD, but we don't really look for long positions when Bitcoin is rejecting locally and changing market structure. I mean, we technically have taken out these lows. So in my opinion, watch and wait. Watch and wait. Again, the short opportunity for me would be coming up into this zone right here with bearish divergences, or taking these highs with continued bearish divergences, right? The short opportunities for me would be one right here, okay? That first opportunity, as soon as we tapped into the Fibonacci golden pocket, right? As soon as we tap into the Fib golden pocket, which makes for a scalp trade, right? The trade I'm currently in right now. Opportunity number two is once you see that we've changed market structure, right? What do I mean by that? I mean, once you see that price has officially now made a lower low, right? Because check this out, right? How can we tell that we've changed market structure? Price is making higher highs and higher lows all this way up, right? High, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high. All of a sudden, we start making a lower low, a lower high. Bam! Now we've taken out this last major lower low. This means there's a potential right now for an actual reversal. And we also understand the context of this rejection so far is that we've come into a key level, the Fibonacci 618 level, right? The 6 Juanita, my high school crush. The 618 level is 6 Juanita. That's her name. I asked her out on a date. Didn't realize I had been friend zoned. So when I said 6 Juanita, maybe we could hang out after school, get some pizza. First of all, she was vegan and gluten-free. She smacked me in the face, all right? And this is a graph of my emotions. Oh! The rejection was hard, but we know, the reason why she rejected me was because her true love was a man named Sam Bankman-Fried. Or when we take a look at Sam Bankman-Fried right here, we take a look at his chest, we can see uneven man boobs. All right, uneven man boobs. And check this out, guys, all right? As we came into that key golden pocket level, look at Sam Bankman-Fried is right there. 6 Juanita, she wanted to date good old Sam Bankman-Fried for a rejection. So now that we know 6 Juanita is not going to go out with us, now that we know we're rejecting from the 6 Juanita with bearish divergences, we can then pull a local 6 Juanita, all right? This is a macro 6 Juanita. Now we can pull a local 6 Juanita. We don't have a chance with the big time 6 Juanita. Maybe the hometown 6 Juanita, she might date us. She has to settle, right? She's a small town girl. She's not a city girl. Her choices are limited. She might go out with you, but there's still a chance she will reject you. So if we get to move up into this zone, what do we want to see? We want to see something called a bearish CVD divergence, which is the following. A bearish CVD divergence is basically whale manipulation. Whale manipulation, trapping the retail traders to FOMO into a long position. Meanwhile, the whales are building their shorts, you know? Who do I sound like? I sound like Tino from Traders Reality. Yo, 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 ladies and gentlemen. Happy days, the market maker wants to entice the retail traders to FOMO long. Meanwhile, the market maker's building their shorts, push the price down to the 15 EMA and the Brinks box. Right? Mad love and respect to you, right? We want to see a move into this box, and when we see that, we want to see longs coming in here. Increase of open interest, increase of CVD. This is telling us that retail traders are indeed longing. They think we're going to put in another higher high. They think this is a buy the dip scenario, but the whales, meanwhile, are manipulating price, right? Remember, it's the hometown 6 Juanita. There's some manipulation going on. There's some real manipulation with my emotions going on because I think 6 Juanita is going to go out with me. But she has her true sights, her true love set on this man right here. She doesn't like nice guys like your boy Jay Casper holding the door, carrying her books. No, she likes bad guys that are going to steal your money and launder it in the Bahamas and give it to the Ukraine. Am I allowed to say Ukraine on YouTube? I hope I don't get shadow banned. That could have shadow banned this whole stream right now. All right? Shout out to all 1,500 people watching. Man, how many likes do we have right now? 500 likes. Man, if everybody likes the dang video, we could absolutely do a $1,000 giveaway. Guys, just like the video so I can give away 1,000 USDT, baby. All right? Shout out to the chat. Shout out to Sue Deep. Hometown 6 Juanita, don't play. Shout out to Splashfire Films with the face green smiling. Shout out to Kevin. Market makers aren't even directionally positioned LMAO. Well, Kevin, look, man, here's the thing, right? We gotta get a little extravagant with our language here, okay? market makers, you know what I'm talking about. Larger players, that's what I should say, bigger money, okay, is filling up limit orders. That's all that really counts, right? If we're using the right terminology, who gives a crap? All right, drive me to drink. It always cracks me up when you got these people wrapped around the axle about proper terminology and stuff. Guys, it doesn't even matter what something's called. All that matters is that you know what to look for. I'm the kind of guy who just looks for some lines on a chart, some nice man boobs here and there, right? Maybe a nice set of uneven gluteus maximi. You know, I don't even know what a head and shoulders is, but I don't even care. You know what I'm saying? I don't even care. So yeah. Real market makers, they're not trading like we are. They're not sitting here on an exchange pushing buttons. Nah, that's true. But the point is that you can see where the bigger money is looking to push the price, right? If you can visually see market orders opening long, okay? And meanwhile, price is making lower highs, and you can see clearly there's millions more longs opening up here than there were right here, and yet price is not getting higher. The only explanation for that is that there is a bigger player who has a limit order set right here. And every time somebody clicks that market long button, they're filling up that big limit order, right? Is it one limit order? Is it multiple? Who knows? Who cares? Right? Who even gives a crap? I don't give a crap. You know what I'm saying? You know? Shout out to Ben. Shout out to Brent Adams. He says it's not a head and shoulders, it's balls and nubby. Interesting. All right, so we're getting a little move up here, guys. Let's see what happens when we come up to that 618 level. All right. Let's see what happens as we come up to the 6Juanita. All right. We are watching. We are watching and awaiting. Guys, a huge shout out to everybody who took the trade from this morning. The Bitcoin long, man. We have been waiting for those lows to get taken. And a big shout out to everybody who took the SPX long and short, man. That was juicy as heck. I mean, I was shocked when I shorted this and I was thinking, man, this one might get stopped out. I might have to short higher. But as soon as I checked the dang charts, we just fell right through like a knife through hot butter right into the long target. Can you believe that, man? And they say technical analysis don't work. Shout out to Boyan, by the way. Man, Boyan, this dude is crushing it, man. This dude is absolutely crushing it. One of the best traders I know, man. And this guy crushes it with the stocks and the Forex, too. This dude is crushing it. He's making those juicy gains, man, every single day. Long and shorting. Juicy. So dang juicy. I look up to Boyan. He's like my mentor in a lot of ways. Boyan, you're the man, bro. That's one of the good things about being in a trading group. Everybody learns from each other. Shout out to Naeem Gill. Shout out to What Are You? You are what you thinking. Shout out to, oh, is this a long opportunity? Let's check it out, all right? Is this a long opportunity? So this is not something I would long. That's just my own personal trading style, my friend. I can't tell anybody what to do. But here's the one thing I can tell anybody, and this is universal, non-financial advice. Whatever position you're looking to take, whether it be a long or a short, as we're coming into our box, we need to be watching the chart. This right now is not bearish CBD, guys. If anything, this is looking a little bit bullish to me. All right, but we're still going to keep our eyes on the chart here. Let's check out the order flow chart once again. All right. I mean, we had some bearish CBD at the highs, like a very little bit here. Just a little bit, like right in this area, we saw about 1 million, 2 million longs absorbed. Then down here at these lows, let's see, we got negative 1.1, then negative 1.9. We saw about 800,000 shorts absorbed. So to me, this is ambiguous. This is not an area I would look for a trade. But the only non-financial advice I would give everybody, okay, I have to say right now, this looks kind of nice to take the high. Right, the one piece of financial advice that's not financial advice, because I'm not a financial advisor, I'm a sweaty guy in a tank top on the internet, okay, is whatever position you decide to enter, you have a plan for that position. And that plan includes your entry, your stop loss, your take profits, and how much money you're willing to risk, which should never be more, in my opinion, than 0.5 to 2% of your entire stack. That doesn't mean you're putting 0.5% of your stack on the trade, it means you're risking 0.5%. So if you want a long here, you have to make sure that within your risk management strategy of risking 0.5 to 2%, and I would say go for the 0.5, you need to make sure that wherever that stop loss is, right? Let's say it's a 0.5% stop loss. If you're trying to risk half of your account, if you're trying to risk 0.5%, that means if you have $1,000, you put $500 onto this trade and it will get stopped out for a $5 loss, right? But it's a 3-to-1 risk reward, so you're going to lose $5 to potentially make $15, right? And the reason you're doing this in advance, knowing where your stop loss is, where your take profits are, where your entry is because if not, you're going to end up gambling, right? You're going to end up gambling. So if you have a reason to enter this trade, meaning you have a strategy that says when price rejects from the Fibonacci golden pocket, makes a lower low, and then comes up into no man's land in between two fib levels, that you look to long it. If that's your strategy, great. Just make sure you're using good risk management, because then what happens is, let's say you take 2 losses in a row. Well, on that third trade, you could still be in profit because you're shooting for 3 times more reward than risk. All right? Risk management, I'd say, is number 1. Number 2 is your strategy. Risk management comes before strategy. There's videos out there of people taking random trades with good risk management and actually being profitable after a year. So if you know you can use good risk management and flip a coin, long or short, and still be somewhat profitable, imagine if you can do anything else that gives you any kind of edge. Divergences, uneven butt cheeks, 618 to Fibonacci levels, maybe a little sandbagman-free bullish man boob patterns. Then you are putting the probabilities in your favor, looking for those intersectionality levels. You know, because you got your degree, your major in trans non-carbon binary emission studies, minor in intersectionality. So when you see those levels on the chart where there's lots of intersectionality, multiple things intersecting in one level, you know that's a good place to look for a trade, you know? All right. Okay, so look, we're still in that short scalp from the 618, right? We're still in the short scalp from the 618 because the first touch of that level, we took the trade from the first touch. Well, I took a scalp from the first touch. Okay, so that could get stopped at the entry. I do not care, because if it does, I'm much more exposed on the long side right here. About 4K of unrealized. Already have realized a good amount on this long as well, guys. And as you know, I've got some pretty high targets here. And as you also probably know, I don't know, I'm still holding the shorts from earlier this week after realizing a good amount of profits on these as well. So this was a very large position when I opened it. I even added to it a little bit when we came up for that second high. So I'm not trying to take as much money as possible. I'm just trying to slowly accumulate. Did you miss Frankie Candles? No, he was not feeling well. Shout out to everybody in the chat, because if everybody likes the video right now, we will give away $1,000 during this stream. Shout out to Ben. Shout out to Tales from the Crypto. I'm preaching the TA gospel. Yeah, I mean, guys, risk management is key. It really is key, guys. That's the only thing that will keep you from losing all your money, is abiding by good risk management. All right. Okay, so like I said, things are looking a little ambiguous. We take a look at the order flow here. And look, we saw a little bit of bearish CVD up here, a little bit of bullish CVD down here. Now we're seeing a little bit of bearish CVD here. I would just wait for something major to happen here. We want one of our levels to hit here, right? We want one of our levels to hit. So let's go to the 3-minute. Man, we want one of our major levels to hit, because I don't see anything too crazy here. Unless, did we hit the 0.5? Yeah, we hit the 0.5. So if you're a 0.5 fib trader, you might say we have a little bit of bearish CVD here. I wouldn't touch that, man. I wouldn't touch that. That's just me. Right? That's just me. That is just me. What volume profile indicator do I use? Just the regular old fixed range volume profile from TradingView, man. From TradingView. All right, so I have to be honest with you guys. If I saw this thing that I see here in my purple box, I would have said short scalp, but because we front ran my box, I gotta wait for a level and a confirmation. That's just the way I do it. All right, so guys, I'm gonna leave this here. I have to take a mean piss. All right, I'll be right back. Make sure to like the stream. If we have 1,000 likes when I get back, we can do a $1,000 giveaway. Be right back, y'all. All right, y'all, we are back in action, baby. Yes, I washed my hands, of course. I washed my hands, extra soap, for 2 minutes. Counted and everything. All right. All right, what is happening here? Okay. We got to keep our eyes on this trend line right here. All right, we got to keep our eyes on this trend line here. Because honestly, I know I'm wearing my bull glasses, guys, but we've had a lot of shorts open up this entire little move down, right? We've had a decent amount of shorts open up this entire move down. Look at this. 5 million shorts right here. All right, we've got 5 million shorts shorting the low. We can even see where they shorted. 1.1 million at 27,780. 2 million right here. All right, we've got right now literally 2 million shorts just at their entry, a little bit underwater, right? So, and we're seeing more shorts open up as price is getting lower here as well. Right, we've got negative delta, we've got CVD getting slightly lower. We have about 1 million more shorts in our current price than we had at that low. And this low right here, yeah, we had a lot of longs get stopped out, but we had a lot of shorts open up there too, as can be seen by the net shorts. All right, so we need to watch and wait. I don't know what's going to happen here because I don't, you know, when we're dealing with this kind of deal, I don't touch this stuff, man. I gotta wait for something real, right? Don't fool yourself by trying to trade every little move, right? Wait for something tangible, something real, something you could lay your hands on, some kind of nice confirmations that you can just grab onto, you know what I'm saying? All right. Here we go, getting a little move to the upside now. Let's see if we can't break out, baby. All right, if again, look at this. We know right now 28,120 is going to be another key level. This is a CDW. I'm gonna change it. CDW. All right, CDW. Make it green. Okay, what is a CDW, you ask? It's basically a liquidity grab and a stop hunt. Actually, we technically have a CDW right here. Right here as well. So this box also, guys, if we get continued bear divs, if we do break out here, if these shorts get squeezed, this purple box is another place to be looking for another short scalp trade. That, in my opinion, let's take a look at our 24-minute again. Oh. Yeah, that would be giving us some bearish divergences, guys. That would be giving us the upside down Sam Bankman-Fried bearish man boo pattern, right? Look. Let's go ahead and superimpose. No, he's too bullish. There we go. Look at, wow. Wow. You guys see that? You see that? So if we get another big pump up, bam. Bam. Alright, so we gotta watch and wait here. Come on, Bitcoin, come on. We're gonna pump this Bitcoin straight to 100K, baby. But first we gotta get through our purple box. Shout out to Tom Crown. Tom Crown in the chat. Everybody go subscribe to Tom Crown. One of the best. The coolest. Crown. Tom Crown. Oh no. Oh yeah, we're back, baby. Tom Crown, one of the coolest, the best crypto YouTubers out there. Go subscribe to his channel. God bless you, Tom Crown. Thank you so much for checking out the stream, my man. Alright guys, we are in the juicy Bitcoin long. Anyone just joining the stream right now, we got 1,600 people, 700 likes. If we can just get 219 more likes, we will give away 1,000 USDT. We will give away 1,000 USDT, baby! Alright. Alright, we gonna pump or we gonna dump, baby? I don't know. We're long, we're short, we're schlong. Alright? We're schlonging it, baby. S&P 500, Bitcoin. Y'all know how it do. Let's check on our good friend, the S&P 500, while we're waiting for everybody to like the dang video. The daily is printing a big Ben Armstrong green dot. The daily market cipher B on S&P is giving us a double drive of BitBoy butt cheeks. I'm sorry, Ben Armstrong butt cheeks. It's gonna take a long time to not call Ben BitBoy. You know what I'm saying? Alright. The reason why they're called Ben Armstrong butt cheeks is because I'm pretty sure Ben Armstrong popularized the big green dots. The market cipher beat back in January 2021 when he made the market cipher video. I'll never forget that day. Shout out to Ben Armstrong. And we are seeing as well bullish divergences on the 4-hour. And as I was saying previously, guys, if the S&P can reclaim the box, we are definitely going to get much more of a retracement here. In fact, I would even open up a new long on this if we break out and then retest this support resistance flip. Even that in and of itself, a beautiful 3-to-1 risk reward, right? A beautiful risk reward ratio. And we indeed are getting that juicy bounce right from the setup that we gave earlier this morning in the Casper Crew. The short and the long, man, this is literally some of the fastest, juiciest trading I've ever done traded. Look at that drop. Bam, right into the long level. Boom. Bam and boom. And I can't actually display the S&P chart. Guys, if you're looking to trade stocks, forex, indices, commodities with Tether as margin, you can do it on BingX. That's how I'm trading the S&P 500 index with crypto as my margin. And here's the thing, guys. You need to use a VPN. People are like, you know, Jason, I can't see when I go here. I don't see stocks. How are you seeing stocks? You need to be hooked up to a virtual private network. I like to do it from India because when I use an Indian VPN, guys, and I watch YouTube, you Indians, shout out to all my Indians in the chat, have the funniest advertisements in the world. I mean, the creativity is amazing. I literally sit and watch 20-minute ads sometimes because they're just so dang funny compared to American ads. American ads are like made for preschoolers. You know what I'm saying? It's like this fat guy who's excited to get pizza. Sign up for Liberty Mutual. But like these Indian advertisements, man, they are absolutely hilarious. Cracking me up all day long. So that's what I recommend for you. Mexico is the place. Yeah, Mexico is a good VPN place too, right? Mexico, they got good VPNs as well, you know. Shout out to Fa Bohai. It's Friday. Yeah. Wait, is Tino in the chat right now? Yo, Tino! What is going on? Shout out to Tino from Traders Reality in the chat. That's wild, bro. We've got celebrities in the chat today. We've got Tom Crown. We've got Tino from Traders Reality. Yo, shout out to Tino. You're the man, bro. Shout out to Tom Crown. We got some celebrities up in here today. That is crazy. That is crazy. Can you use BingX without KYC? Yes, you can. You can, absolutely. But here's the thing. I think that interferes with its ability to be used in TradingView, right? Because in TradingView, I can see my positions, but I can't add to them or open them. All right. Let's check out back this order flow. What's happening here? We're going to pump. We're going to dump. Well, it's really ambiguous right now, guys. Everyone's on lunch. We got to wait a few hours for the big move. which is inevitably going to come. All right, it's going to come. Shout out to Tino, the man. Shout out to Tom Crown, the other man. Tom Crown, we got a collab soon. I've got a whole bunch of collabs scheduled, but bro, we'll hook something up, man. We'll hook something up for sure. For sure. Shout out to Tino. Mad love to you, bro. Yeah. Shout out to Shawshank Panday. He says, pair character, punching the air with a fist and a bump written on his knuckles. Thank you so much for the super sticker, my friend. As we are watching and witnessing this Bitcoin price pump straight up to 100K, baby. Let me see a blue candle. All right. Right. Shout out to Pole Lock 35. Do you use American Exchange or a non-KYC and offshore trading? Look, I am trading on BingX, guys. BingX allows you to trade the S&P 500 and stocks and Forex using Tether as margin. They're not US based. I'm using MEXC. MEXC, the best deal on fees, guys. I mean, seriously. Literally the best deal on fees, right? If you want to scalp with market orders, use MEXC. You could enter a $100,000 position and pay a $10 fee. That's insane. 0% limit order fees, right? And I'm also trading on ZoomX, also offshores, guys. But here's the thing about ZoomX. Centralized and decentralized in the same platform. But the reason I like ZoomX is because it is the same basically as Bybit in the sense that, how can I put it? The levels are the exact same, guys. The Bybit levels are the same. Like Bybit took the low today, right? Bybit took the low. Bybit took this low. Bybit's the only exchange that took the low, right? How did I get in this trade on BingX when we didn't take the low? Because I was looking at the Bybit chart, baby. That's why. And ZoomX is the Bybit chart. ZoomX took the low. Right? That's why I like trading on ZoomX. But it's not, the fees are not like MEXC. MEXC is the best. So I like to scalp on MEXC. But these are the three exchanges I'm trading on because I like to trade on multiple exchanges for a variety of reasons. You can split your capital, number one. Number two, you can be on 3 exchanges at once from your mobile. Number 3, if one goes down, you still got another. We've had exchanges come and go in our days. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Jordan Crypt, South Africa. Then why use a VPN? You should always be using a VPN, my friend. You should always use a VPN no matter what. Always. Always! Alright, what's Bitcoin doing? Dumping or pumping? Looks like we're getting another little dumperoni e-queso. So look at this. This does not look good, right? We even got a mini little head and shoulders right here. Dang. Alright. Well, you guys know my plan. You guys know my plan. Where I plan to get out of this. I will close it for the weekend. If we lose our key support. Support numero uno. Alright. We're going to go ahead and pull the fib from here to here. Yeah, if we lose that high volume node, guys, we lose. Oof. I'll be honest, I don't like this 24-minute bearish divergence. I really don't, guys. It's making me think that this short scalp from the 618 Fibonacci could turn into a little bit more. Maybe it'll turn into a weekend trade. We'll have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see. How's Coinalize looking? How's the order flow? It's really ambiguous, guys. As long as we don't lose this, there's a chance that this could be somewhat bullish, but I have to say, given the context of the bearish divergences at the 618, the fact that more shorts are opening up here, the fact that no other complete HIV pill uses fewer medicines to help keep you undetectable, alright, kind of tells me that we might see a bigger move to the downside here if we lose that trend line, okay? Shout out to Crypto Crank in the chat. Shout out to Kieran Wright. He says, pump the like button, everybody. Yeah, that's crazy, guys. We got about 1,600 people in here, only 900 likes. The 4-hour looks bullish. Yeah, it does. 4-hour looks bullish to me, too. In fact, here's the thing, right? 4-hour looks super dang bullish. That's why, look, if we lose this level, I will close the long trade, but I will look to re-enter on the retest because we are looking right now for this idea to play out, right? We got the CDW of the low from right here, right? We got the CDW of the low. Just like we wanted, right? CDW of the low with our bullish divergences. Take profit. We said I took profit in the box right here because it's the 618 Fibonacci. It's a zone of resistance. As we come to the zone of resistance after hitting the TP, then what do we see? Bearish divergences. Now, because we've changed market structure here locally, because this bounce looks so bullish, right? Because we've actually made a higher high, taking out the previous lower high. Now I will look for the retest in the box between 27,270 and 27,270, which is a typo, all right? But really we're looking between 27,250 and 27,400 because that's the Fibonacci Golden Pocket retest, okay? We will be looking for a bounce from this area because I agree with you that the 4-hour does look bullish. It does. Look at that money flow getting thick. Like a milkshake, the kind you gotta drink with a spoon. If you know what I'm saying. Drink a milkshake with a spoon if you know what I'm saying. Wow. Uh-oh. It's not looking so hot for the Bitcoin, guys. Alright, this scalp might turn into something good. It might turn into something good. Whoa. Alright, we're going to hit our next TP at 27,735, baby. Alright. On the short, going to hit another TP there. Take a look at the order flow. We're seeing shorts coming in here. Lots of shorts. Let's see exactly how many. 1.4 million short order just opened up here. That's why we got that little move to the downside. 1.4 million shorts just opened up right here at the price of 27,800. We're coming down toward VWAP. All right, let's keep an eye on the VWAP today, guys. Where's VWAP? VWAP is at 27,620. 27,620. Oh, man. So, guys, the VWAP is just at our level where we're looking for a bounce. All right. Actually, we'll lower this to 27,678. Because if we drop, I'm aiming for the VWAP. If we drop, going to the VWAP. If we drop, we're going to the VWAP. What? If we drop, then we're going to the VWAP. If we drop, we're going to the VWAP. Getting a mop, because we're going to the VWAP. Spilling and drop, because we're going to the VWAP. If we drop, going to the VWAP. Going to the VWAP. To the golden pocket too. To the VWAP, going to the VWAP. All right. Uh-oh, we're getting a bounce, baby. We're getting a bounce, baby. All right, but we made another lower low here, guys. Ain't nothing bullish about a lower low. Because if we drop, we're going to the VWAP. Because if we drop, then we're going to the VWAP. If we drop, then we're going to the VWAP. Look, if we lose the purple box, I'm closing this dang long. Open up another one lower. Here's the thing. It's been a good trade for me. I've already locked in some good profits. I'll be out for the weekend. I'm still long from lower. I'm in multiple long trades on Bitcoin, baby. I'm in 1, 2, 3, 4 long trades on Bitcoin. So, look, if we lose the purple box, I'm going to close this one out, call it a week, baby. And then I will hodl the other positions over the weekend. But I'm curious to see what's going to happen here. All right, we're starting to get a little bit of a bounce-a-roni and queso. Oh, excuse me. That seltzer, man. Okay, wow. Put in a double bottom there. But, you know, 3 million more shorts at this low. Let's see what happens here. As I said, look, if we drop, we're going to the VWAP. If we don't drop, then I'm not sure. So because we put in another lower low, guys, we need to readjust our trading plan as we're watching the price action play out, because we got some opportunistic events headed our way. Let's go ahead and pull a fib now from the high to the new low. Let's go ahead and draw a new box. Right, because if we start to bounce here, you can rest assured people are going to be calling their moms and dads saying, you better FOMO long 100x on Bitcoin right now. If we see some bearish absorption into this purple box, man, we could even add to the short, honestly. And then we could drop it to the VWAP, which is right around here. Right? This is a trading idea. What do we want to see for this? The green line getting higher than it was over here. We want to see this blue stuff continue to get higher. All right? That's what we want to see, baby. All right, we're starting to pump, baby. Shout out to the 1,000 likes, baby. We're giving away $1,000. We're giving away 1,000 USDT. That's amazing. That is amazing. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. You guys are the absolute best. All right, guys. So what I've just done is I have commented on the stream. I'm going to pin the comment. All right. I'm going to pin the comment. I just pinned this URL to a YouTube video. All right. Right here. All right. I just pinned it in the chat. All right. Uh-oh, where is it? Here it is. All right. I just pinned it in the chat. Shout out to Tino from Traders Reality for the 100-pound super chat. Okay. So I want you to click this link, guys. Comment your ERC, your Ethereum Network Tether address on that video, and we'll do a random comment picker during the stream and do a giveaway. All right, shout out to Tino. He said, yo, yo, yo. Yo, 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 ladies and gentlemen. We're here to bring the fire today. What's the market maker gonna do? Get them likes up, baby. Mad love and respect to you all. Okay, Bitcoin getting a little dumperoni and queso now. A little pump and dump operation. While we're waiting to drop to the VWAP. While we're waiting to drop to the VWAP, baby, we are going to be watching this video. All right. I don't even know what this video is about. All right, but leave your comments. All right, everyone's commenting, but you got to leave your address. You gotta leave your dang address, otherwise you're not gonna win. You gotta comment with your ERC20 USDT address. All right, so if we lose the box, you know it's game over if we lose the box. But if we come up to this box, it's game on, baby. It's game on. All right? It's game on, baby. All right, we dumping, baby. Come on. Bitcoin's dumping. We're waiting for those comments to come in. All right? Just comment the video with your address. That's what we need. Wait a second. Wait a second. Oh, okay. Guys, I don't see any addresses on here. Is there something wrong with this? Guys, either I'm retarded or y'all are retarded, alright? It's one or the other. I don't know which one. I don't know who's retarded here, me or you. There's more of you, so it's more probable that I'm the retarded one, but I don't see any addresses here, except for 2. Right? Just Mike, AF, and Morpheus 3 are the only 2 addresses. We need some addresses here, guys. Come on. Is it me or you? Hope it's not me. Alright, we got some addresses here, guys. Comment your address. We need addresses. We need wallet addresses. Let's do it, baby. Come on. This can't be right. There's probably something going on with this, man. Alright, so people say it's not working. Is that true? Let me know in the chat, man. Let me know in the chat. Alright, here. We're gonna give this a shot here. We're gonna click it. Hang on. I'm gonna go here myself.
Alright, y'all.
Alright, no, it works, man. Alright, it works. Alright, cool. You guys posting your addresses. That's what we need, man. That's what we need. Alright, post the addresses. That's what we need, baby. That's what we need while we're pumping this Bitcoin price. Cool. All right, well, we're going to pump this Bitcoin price while we wait. While we wait for the giveaway. We are going to pump the Bitcoin price. We're going to sing the pump song, baby. You guys know how to do. This song pumps the Bitcoin price every single time. While we're doing the pump song, make sure to comment on the video. This song pumps the Bitcoin price. We're going to hit our box. All right? We going to dump? No. We're going to pump. Let's go! There we go. We're pumping the Bitcoin price. Yeah! Here we go, baby. Make sure to comment on the video while we pump this price. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah. Alright, it takes some time. We're pumping it, baby. Come on. Pump the Bitcoin. And make sure to comment on the video. We're making those gains while we're commenting on the video.
Alright, y'all. This is going to be a very important video.
We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah.
Alright. It's pumping, baby. We're gonna hit our target. Straight to the moon. Maybe to the Fibonacci golden pocket. Maybe to 100K. We don't know. Somewhere around this box right here is where our target is. But this is your last chance to pump the Bitcoin price and to comment on the video. This is why we all came here today. To sing the pump song. We're not here for technical analysis, no. Ready? We're gonna pump it, man. Come on.
We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, yeah, we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah.
See, it works, baby. You thought it didn't work, huh? Nah, it works. Now the pump song's over, we might get a little bit of a retrace. Alright? Alrighty. Alright. We are about to do a $1,000 Bitcoin giveaway. Alright? Let's see here. We got addresses. This is what we want. We want addresses, baby. This is good. Whoa. My treadmill stopped. All right, cool. We're gonna do a random comment picker, all right? We're gonna watch the, oop. See, look, the pump song, it worked for 2 minutes and then bam, right? All right. Here we go, baby. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. And I'm gonna be giving away $1,000.
Alright, y'all, this is going to be a very important...
Alright, we're pumping. Man, this is kind of a... I like this little beat. Don't you guys? Yeah. Yo, we gonna dump, no we gonna pump. Bitcoin flying, we're not in a slump. About to do a juicy giveaway. Wish I could do one every single day, but hey, you guys never like the dang video. How should I know when I'm walking on my toe on the treadmill every day? That's how I play, looking at the candles, taking the trays. Do we got the purple or do we got the blue? Don't know what to do, but I got some new shoes with the gains that I made. I'm trading every day when I'm going really high and I'm trying to get paid. Oh, here we go, pumping up really high. Bitcoin price is trying to fly. And yo, I don't even know if y'all can spot it, but we're pumping right up straight to the golden pocket. Shout out to my man in the chat, Tom Brown. What's going down? We gotta collab, my man. Ow, I just lost my flow. I'm a little too white. Alright, let's do this dang giveaway. What's 4 plus 7? 11? Right. Let's see here. What the heck? Wait, is this not? 9 plus 7 is 16. Right? Alright. Oh, I did the math wrong. Here we go. All right, well, no address. We got to spin it again. No address. You guys got to get the address. All right, shout out to Magic Internet Money. Dump it, not pump. We are going to be giving away 1,000 USDT straight to you, my friend. Straight to you. We're going to be giving it away right now. All right, here we go. Pumping the Bitcoin price straight to our target, baby. Straight to our target. Right to the Fibonacci golden pocket. Do we see any bearish order flow? Whoa! Yes, we do! Bearish order flow. Oh my goodness! That's very bearish. Let's check out the 1 minute. Yeah, that does not look good, man. That does not look good. Man, sheesh. That is wild. How many longs just opened up into the golden pocket? The pump song really has an effect. 8.3. That's actually a lot of shorts getting squeezed as well. That's a lot of shorts getting squeezed as well. The volume is higher than it was at the last high. Wow. Man, if we break out of this level, If we don't reject from here, we are going straight to the moon, baby. That is a bearish CBD divergence. If it does not play out, we are pumping, baby, because there are a lot of longs opening up right into this box. That's bearish tech. Wow. Would you look at that? All right, we're going to do the giveaway. Shout out to my man. Shout out to my man, Christopher Araya. Thank you, Chris. Bro, you are a lifesaver. Chris, that's so funny, bro. Do you get all of... Chris, do you get all my text messages? Bro, do you get all of my text messages? I better not say anything bad about you, man. That's so funny, man. Yeah, now I know the truth. We're sending over that tether right now. All right. Let me just make sure the address is right. 459. CBAFOF. Nice. We're good. We're good. Just sent. I'll post the TX ID in the chat so that everybody knows it's legit, man, because I know people say I'm faking this stuff. Pending. It's pending in Coinbase. As soon as it goes through, guys, we are going to be sending the TX ID. But shout out to you, to the winner. Congratulations on the 1,000 tether. I hope you 100x trade it to 100,000x tether. Alright, well, you know what? This might be leading CBD because we are not dumping, but we have yet to reclaim the box. So this is still valid. Let's check out what's happening in EXO to get some real numbers here. Alright, so we have higher volume now than we did here, which honestly could mean it's going to break out. But we have to reclaim that box. We have to reclaim this box if we want to see a real breakout. And guys, if we reclaim the box, man, we are going to see Bitcoin pump straight up. We are going to put in a new high here. All right, 28,048 at least. Let's check out how Market Cipher B is looking now. This is the 1 minute. Money flow's coming out, guys. Money flow is coming out. We're at the 786. This is the make it or break it right here. This is the make it or break it right here, guys. This really is. The 786 is the make it or break it. 786. 618's his older sister. She don't play around. Alright? She don't play around. Sorry about the music being so loud, guys. Alright, let's see what's going on in the chat. Alright, people, everyone always freaks out when I give away $1,000. It happens all the time. Look, guys, I don't know what else to say, alright? Alright? I don't know what else to say. Right? We do this every time we get 1,000 likes. So, don't complain about it, otherwise I'll put you on a blacklist. You'll never win! I'm just kidding. But seriously, guys, come on. Be a good sport about it, alright? Be a good sport about it. Be a good sport about it. Am I still in the short? Yeah, I'm still in the short, guys. It's about to get stopped out. It's about to get stopped out. It's $23 in the profit, stopped out a little bit above the entry for a break even. You know, it is what it is. But we need to watch because we also need to be aware of a potential CDW. Let's check out our 12-minute. Looking kind of thick here, guys. I say we're gonna pump. I say we're gonna pump. Alright, so we've already hit the TP2 on the trade, guys. So, if we break out of this, I am expecting a new high to be made. Yes, we could CDW. I would expect a new high to be made. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Shout out to Jermil. He just got another TP. Shout out to Watoshi. He says, no homo, but I love you, bro, even if I didn't win. I love you too, man, even though you didn't win. Alright, let me check on that. Alright. I'm gonna post the transaction hash in the chat so you guys can see that it's the real deal. Actually, I'm not gonna post the hash. I'm not gonna post the hash, alright? But I sent it out, and the person who sent it, he's gonna get it and he knows. It confirmed on the blockchain. It's confirmed on the blockchain. It's confirmed on the blockchain. Shout out to Kenny. What exchange do I look at when trading MEXC? I always look at the Bybit USD. I always look at the Bybit USD. All right, so, dang, are we really getting a rejection from the? Oh my goodness, guys! Are we rejecting from the 786? This could be a rejection. Could be, but we'll have to wait and see, guys. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Come on, don't let the 786 fib do this to you. Don't let the 786 fib play with your heart like that. Dang. Oh, man. Oh, man. Well, this is so crazy, guys, but I mean, if we are going to tank from here, would you look at that? Would you look at that? We wicked right up to my entry on the short. We wicked right up to the entry on the short. Didn't get stopped. That's wild, man. That is one of the perks of shorting the high. Honestly. That first tap means you always got the best entry, and then when you're second guessing yourself. But I think we're going to pump! Right, we did the pump song, baby. Yeah. We do have a lot of longs coming in at the top. We also have a lot of shorts getting wrecked here. This is, objectively speaking, a bearish CVD divergence. Like, increase open interest, increase longs into the 786. If we dump from here, guys, we know why, okay? If we dump from here, we know why, right? If you think we're going to dump, this is the time to look for a dump. I mean, this is the time to expect a dump, right? This is the time to expect a dump. If you think we're dumping, this is the time, all right? Because we're at the 786 retrace, money flow's coming out, and we have a bearish CVD divergence, all right? So this is a now or never. This is either now or never, like legit, now or never. I'm not telling nobody what to do. I'm just saying, based on the chart, this is literally the now or never place. This is the now or never place, baby. This is the now or never place. This is weekly open, says J-Boy Bullish. Alright, let's see what happens here, guys. This is the short also from a few days ago. Now, actually, the one from yesterday. This is the short from yesterday. If you guys remember. I'm hodling it because if we reject here, I'll even add a little bit to it. But if not, I'll let it get stopped out at the entry for a realized profit. Wow, funding is paying the longs right now. Isn't that interesting? Funding is paying the longs right now. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Man, you guys are absolutely amazing. God bless you all. May God bless you all. May God bless you all. right, guys. So look, if this is a dump, my target is 27,652. 27,652 is the target. And honestly, a TP1 would be right here, 27,750, because that's the value area high of this whole rise. And then we're going to the POC golden pocket of the rise. Ooh. Uh-oh. Well, I hate to be that guy. Okay, we still have a high volume node here, but now the point of control of this little thing has shifted. So if we lose this level, man, we could come down a lot. And it could happen quick. It could happen quick. We've got a big volume gap. We would come down pretty dang quick, guys. Yeah, we could come down quick to the low volume node at 27,750. And then the golden pocket. And then really final target for me would be down here, 27.4, where I would look for, honestly, another long trade. But this is all just speculation in the future, guys. Look, I'm still long and strong. $4,200 in the green, baby. If you know what I mean, baby. So we're gonna have to wait and see. Shout out to Aaron G. Shout out to Sudeep. Shout out to Machu Picchu. Man, God bless all of you in Jesus' name. Even if you're not religious, I still pray y'all are super dang blessed, you and your families. God is good. God is good. Thoughts on the CDW just above? Yep. So 28,048. Look, if we come up to 28,048 with bearish divs, yes, we could absolutely get the swing failure of that high as well. Right? Yeah, we could. Yeah, we could. We absolutely could. Shout out to Magic Internet Money. He got the $1,000. God bless you, my friend. May the Lord bless you. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. Shout out to Headshot GG. Is it time to long or short? Well, if someone put a gun to my head and said what position to take, I would have to say short. Why? We're at resistance with bearish divergences and bearish CVD. I would have to say short. But if there was a third option, I would say, for me right now, would be don't take it. I would never take a trade here. If I came to the chart right now and it was 5 in the morning and I just woke up, I would not trade here. I would wait for an entry. I would wait for an entry. Your market cipher looks different because I changed the colors on my market cipher. That's why. I changed the colors on my market cipher. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. You guys are absolutely amazing, phenomenal. God bless you all. Am I into religion? I'm into a relationship with God. Let's put it that way. I use the word religion, Morad, because that's just the word people can connect with. You know what I'm saying, my man? Shout out to Gary. Shout out to Tankista. Shout out to Magic Storyland. Yo, yo. Shout out to Creekio. 31K easy on Bitcoin. Well, let's take it straight up to 100K, baby. Shout out to David Hornback. He learned so much in the community. God bless you, David Hornback. You guys are amazing. Man, is Bitcoin going to get this move or what? Do I use Cypher or Fu Manchu? I use the real market Cypher, the real deal. I'm all about that money flow on the real market Cypher, the real one. MarketCypherTrading.com. Or if you want to use my affiliate link, you could use that too. But it doesn't matter to me. I don't care if you use my link or not, but yeah, the real market cipher, the money flow is literally unmatched. People say, no, there's something else that could do it. All right, fine. You use your something else. That's fine with me. You go use your something else. I don't care. You don't have to buy Market Cipher. You don't have to use my affiliate link. You don't have to buy it. You don't have to use it. I like it. Here we go, baby. Let's check the order flow one more time, guys. Man, that was a pretty bearish looking divergence right here, but it could be invalidated if we pump. I mean, that's why trading ideas have invalidations, right? That's why trading ideas have invalidations. Shout out to French Toaster. Shout out to Frankie Candles. All right, let's see if this short trade gets stopped out. And if it does, well, it's all good in the hood, man. Like literally, it's a 0 loss for me. And then we keep on pumping like a wild woman in distress. All right, well. Shout out to Terrapini Hunter. This guy says you guys call $10 moves pumps and dumps. That's because we're day traders, man. Scalpers. Is there a free footprint chart somewhere? I think there is, my friend. Is Trading Light free? I don't know. I like EXO. I like this thing here too. What is this thing? Coinalyze makes it kind of easy to see it once. But it doesn't actually show you the footprint. It just shows you CBD and OI. CP says we took the low, now let's take the high. Yeah, let's see if we can take the high. I mean, look, we got the local high, but also we've got the high for Monday. The high for Monday. But look, if we start taking Monday's high at 28.6, guys. You know, man, that golden pocket just looks so dang nice. Daily order block, golden pocket, value area high of the range. I mean, if we're gonna take that high, oh man, I want this. Give me that. You know. Okay, Addis is free. This is free. That's cool. That's cool. Guys, chill out with the $1,000. Look, I told everybody, comment your address. If you didn't comment your address, you can't win. And then I even told you again, I showed it on the screen, comments with no address, and I said, you gotta put your address. So if you didn't put the address and I picked your comment, what can I say, man? It's a game. Just chill out. It's like a scratch-off lottery ticket. You're not gonna get pissed off. You're gonna go to the clerk in ShopRite and complain that you didn't win the scratch-off lottery? Come on. Chill out, y'all. Chill out. Chill out, man. It's just money. You win some, you lose some. Take it from me. I've lost more money in the last month than probably most people make in a decade. So, you know, you win some, you lose some. Just get on with the grind, baby. Quit complaining. Quit living in the past. you don't know what I'm talking about, check out my video. I got my crypto wallet got hacked. Crypto wallet got hacked. Now we've got some emotional music to talk about it. Oh no, my crypto wallet was hacked. People don't say I'm lying because I'm joking about it. Isn't that funny? Alrighty, we're back with the sound. We're back with the sound, baby. Alright. Alright, so Krikos is a small pullback before a God candle. Alright. Price action is crazy today. It is crazy, but I mean, look, man, it's crazy, but we had the plan for it. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the Casper crew, because we had the plan to take the low and then pump like a wild woman. And we had the plan for SPX too, baby. Short, zoop, long, whoop. What do you know? Short, bam, drop, zoop, right into the long level. So look, price action be crazy, but when you have a plan in advance, well, you can really make things happen. You can make things happen. You know what I'm saying? Luke Hemming's never been scammed. Man, I had never been scammed before either, so, you know, it is what it is. An expensive lesson, guys. But, God is good. Life goes on. I'm too blessed to be stressed. The Lord has had so much favor on me in life. Alright, guys. Are we gonna get this move or what? Come on, Bitcoin. We gonna get this move or what? Been waiting all day. Been waiting all day. We've been live now for 2 hours. 2 hours. Sheesh. Well, guys, I'm gonna cut the stream, man. It's been 2 hours. I gotta get some stuff done. I actually have to plant some pawpaw trees. I have to plant a few pawpaw trees. Hopefully next year we'll have pawpaws to share. Alright? Well, guys, I'm gonna head out. May God bless you all. In Jesus' name, even if you're not religious, may the Lord bless you and protect you. May He shine light upon you. May He have grace upon you. May the Lord turn His face towards you and give you wholeness. In Jesus' name, in Yeshua's name, even if you're not religious, you know, whatever. It's my channel. I still pray you and your family are super blessed. I'll see everyone in the next video. Peace!